Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're unlocking the secret language of the ma'afia, bakery. Think lechem, bread, ugiya, cookie, and maybe sufganiya, donut or two. I'll teach you to say kemach, flour, roll out some batzek, dough, and even ask for lelo, gluten, gluten-free, like a pro. We're mixing fun with flavor, one Hebrew word at a time. So, grab your ma'aroch, rolling pin, and let's dive into this sweet adventure. A bakery is ma'afia. Ma-a-fi-ya. Bread is lechem. Lechem. A roll or a bun is lachmaniya. Lachmaniya. Cake is uga. Uga. And the plural form cakes is ugot. Ugot. A cookie is ugiya. Ugiya. And the plural form cookies is ugiyot. Ugiyot. Croissant is croissant. Croissant. A bagel is bagale. Bagale. Pita bread is pita. Pita. Challah is challah. Challah. A donut is donut. And a jelly-filled donut is sufganiya. Sufganiya. A pastry is ma'afe. Ma'afe. And the plural form pastries is ma'afim. Ma'afim. To describe a masculine noun as sweet, say matok. Matok. And when describing a feminine noun, say metuka. Metuka. So you can say a sweet cookie, ugiya metuka, or sweet bread, lechem matok. To describe a masculine noun as salty, say maluach. Maluach. And to describe a feminine noun as salty, say melucha. Melucha. Wheat flour is kemach chita. Kemach flour, chita wheat. Spelt flour is kemach kusmin. Kemach kusmin. Rye flour is kemach shifon. Kemach shifon. Whole wheat flour is kemach chita male. Kemach flour, chita wheat, male whole singular male. A whole wheat bread is lechem mikemach chita male. Lechem bread מקמח, from flour, חיטה, wheat, מלא, whole, singular male. Gluten-free is ללא gluten. ללא, without gluten. Another way to say gluten-free is נטול gluten. נטול gluten. Lactose-free is ללא lactose. ללא, without lactose. And here as well, you can say נטול lactose. נטול lactose. To refer to a masculine noun as vegan, say טבעוני. טבעוני. To refer to a feminine noun as vegan, say טבעונית. טבעונית. So you can say vegan bread, לחם טבעוני, or vegan cake, עוגה טבעונית. Yeasts are שמרים. שמרים. Dough is בצק. בצק. Baking is אפייה. אפייה. To bake is לאפות. לאפות. To describe a masculine noun as fried, say מטוגן. מטוגן. And when describing a feminine noun, say מטוגנת. מטוגנת. So, for example, a סופגניה would be מטוגנת. To describe a masculine noun as baked, say אפוי. אפוי. And when describing a feminine noun as baked, say אפויה. אפויה. So עוגה will be אפויה, and בייגלה will be אפוי. A baking oven is תנור אפייה. תנור oven, אפייה baking. Sugar is סוכר. סוכר. Sugar free is ללא סוכר. ללא, without סוכר, sugar. And here as well, you can say נטול סוכר. Butter is חמאה. חמאה. Eggs are ביצים. ביצים. Salt is מלח. מלח. Chocolate is שוקולד. שוקולד. Whipped cream is קצפת. קצפת. Jam is ריבה. ריבה. Cinnamon is קינמון. קינמון. Vanilla is וניל. וניל. Powdered sugar is אבקת סוכר. אבקת, powder of, סוכר, sugar. Glaze is זיגוג. זיגוג. Strawberries are תותים. תותים. Cream is crème. crème. Filling is מילוי. מילוי. Mousse is mousse. Breadsticks are מקלות לחם. מקלות sticks. לחם bread. breadsticks. Yeast cake is עוגת שמרים. עוגת שמרים. A sponge cake is עוגה בחושה. עוגה בחושה. קיש is פשטידה. פשטידה. Pie is pie. Puff pastry is בצק אלים. בצק אלים. Literally, leaves dough. Cheese is גבינה. גבינה. Cheesecake is עוגת גבינה. עוגת גבינה. Olives are זיתים. זיתים. Rye bread is לחם שיפון. לחם שיפון. Toasting is קלייה. קלייה. Baking tray is תבנית אפייה. תבנית אפייה. A rolling pin is מערוך. מערוך. Milk is חלב. חלב. Almonds are שקדים. שקדים. Nuts are אגוזים. אגוזים. Fondant is בצק סוכר. בצק סוכר. Literally meaning dough of sugar. Decoration is קישוט. קישוט. A mixture is תערובת. תערובת. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.